3006 Marvin. Flooded basement. I'll try to go in here through the main stack. See what we get, y'all. All right. All the way to the back. All I pulled out, big chunk of wipes. Third pass. Ran the 3-inch cutter. Came back clean. This whole water. No luck. See, we pumped out the water. Get that pumped out. I was able to locate the drain, French drain, here in this area here, right across, like from that, I don't know what it is, a piece of cement block where something used to be, diagonal over towards the right. That's where the French drain is. I went in 80 feet, had to use a spiral head. My cutters wouldn't fit down that drain. I'm gonna keep hitting something again at 80 feet. Nothing comes back on the cable. Some wipes from earlier, those should be down the drain. But I don't think that was the issue because this still should have cleared out. Pretty much where it's at. I went through the main stack last night, two or three passes, same. I'm hitting the same blockage at the same, about 75 to 80 feet. Let's just say between 70 and 80 feet is something I'm hitting and I can't get past it. And I'm pretty sure that I'm to the street. So my next best bet would be to give the city a call and see if they can give us some assistance. Maybe it's a broke line on their end or something like that. But as of right now, I have been unsuccessful trying to get this clog cleared. Wraps it up. I'm gonna wrap up with the tenant, and we'll go from there. 3006 Marvin. Is this April 3rd? Friday. Yeah, April 3rd, Friday. All right, thanks.